Hey everyone, Camian Larson, Home Design and Renovation Coach. Hope you're doing well today. It's beautiful here. I got to meet with some new people today and it was really fun because it's a large mid-century modern home that has not been updated. It needs a ton of work, but they are up to it. So they're experienced homeowners who have done a lot of remodels themselves, but they couldn't figure out some layout issues, and that's where I came in. They're going to be fine with all the materials and all that stuff, but they needed someone to brainstorm on for solutions. So that's what we did. We went in and we had to look at where there was window openings, door openings, what walls could be removed, what posts could be removed, fireplaces. How do we work around the major elements that are an enormous cost to change? And so what is movable within a reasonable allowance? And so when we were looking at the kitchen, the whole kitchen needed to be redone completely, 100% down to the studs. And so what we were looking at is how could we get the good work zones, a formation that worked for it, sometimes called the triangle, which is sort of dated, but it still works. Anyway, so we were creating the zones, talking about their family, how they're going to grow. She wants to have a table inside the kitchen for the little one. She doesn't want the little one doing anything on their actually really special dining room table. So that's saved for special occasions. So how do we create all those spaces and the functionality? He is a very competent designer and comfortable in construction, but I was able to point out some things that he hadn't identified. Sometimes when you're so close into it, it's tough to see the solutions. So sometimes you need another set of eyes to come in. And I was happy that I was able to do that. And so we met for a few hours. And anyway, it's going to be really interesting to see which solution they choose. But it's, as far as something for you to take away, if you are going to do a remodel project, it's interesting to establish right away the only things that you really need to keep because of costs. So what are those things? And then can you work around that? So it's setting your parameters. So that was exactly what I did with them, was set what can move, what can't move. And let's work within that space and talk about your family. So anyway, it's going to be really exciting. I don't know how involved I'm going to be in it further down the road, but it was really great to work with some people who were very experienced and really just to collaborate together. Anyway, it was fun. So you guys have a great one. I'll talk to you soon. Please like or comment on this video. Visit my page, my website, camianlarson.com, whatever. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.